Assalamualaikum, viewers, and welcome you all. I'm Ghulam Mustafa in a new video that is regarding the future skills which you will or we are in need in our career. So here is the my views which are I'm going to share with you regarding the future skills which will be valuable and very important in order to boost our career. So we are future skills you will need in your career by upcoming years by 2030. In 11 years time, in upcoming 11 years time, the year 2030, it is highly likely you will working in a job that doesn't even exist yet. And no, we are not talking about building flying cars or developing the world's first time machine. The world of work is evolving quickly, which means you have to figure out how to prepare for a future job, a role that is impossible to predict. Of course, there isn't a crystal ball that can tell us exactly what skills you will need it and what won't be needed. However, with the help of the need of society, we have come up with the five skills we believe, and I firmly believe you will need to succeed in your future career, whatever it ends up being. Number one, cognitive flexibility. The rise of digital technologies means you are going to need to be able to handle the plethora of opportunities and challenges that come with it. So, do you have the ability to adopt, to change, and conceptualize complex multiple ideas all at once? If so, you are showing qualities that reside in advanced multitaskers and which are highly valued by employer and recruiters. Number two, digital literacy and computational thinking. As the world continues to rely on highly technical and continuously evolving technologies, the need for those with the digital skills to match also increase. You have most definitely heard of STEAM, but STEAM, STEM, but have you heard of SMAC, SMAC, which means Mobile Analytics and Cloud? Although it may seem like we are being bombarded with the digital buzzwords, being digitally literate offers capabilities beyond what was once thought possible when it comes to emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, IoT, and data science. We need to train scholars to deal with the challenges of the 21st century, some which we may not yet have encountered, which says by the Professor Adam Habib, who is the Vice Chancellor or Principal of the University of the Witwatersrand. And we need to work across sectors to develop the technology required for us to leapfrog uh, across the eons of the poverty, unemployment, and inequality, and in so doing to create a new world order that prioritizes humanity before profits and power. A master degree in artificial intelligence or e-science can help advance your digital skills and accelerate your technical acumen in these emerging fields. From learning about data visualization and exploration to computational intelligence and natural language technology. Number three, judgment and decision making. Although robots and automation technology may be better than humans, another way, such as calculation and diagnostic solving. It is still going to be human that deal with the subjective and side of data analytics. Considering we are on the cusp of the fourth industrial revolution, we are still going to need to have somebody who is able to show the world what numbers mean and their significance. Number four, emotional and social intelligence. For everything that can be replaced by digital technologies and artificial intelligence, emotional and social intelligence remain uh, uniquely human capabilities. In some sectors, these qualities are absolutely crucial. The demand for jobs in healthcare, for example, are on the increase, demonstrating how some roles will always require a human element. Your future job is more than likely going to include working closely with others. So, having empathy, the ability to collaborate, as well as excellent communication skill is something you are most definitely going to be need. Number five, and last reason, creative and innovative mindset. Despite a report by the World Economic Forum in 2018 suggesting robot automation will create more jobs than they displace, you will still do well to keep on top of your creativity skills and maintain an innovative mindset. Much like having an excellent sense of social intelligence, natural creativity is something which can't be easily replicated by the latest digital technologies as long as you can think outside the box, you will be just fine. So, students, these are the five reasons by 2030, after 11 years, what market will replace and what jobs are in demand. So, this discussion, my shared ideas regarding the upcoming career building skills. So, this video will help you. Thank you very much, and keep watching, keep in touch with my channel. That is the all about learning knowledge. So that's why this channel is Learner Insights.